and we will start with today's session. How
Yeah,
are you doing today? How are you spending your Sunday?
yeah, as usual. Yeah, last 2 weeks, I just spend my days, all days are Sunday,
Yes.
like that. And
Nice.
I must say one thing. How was your yesterday? Your birthday celebration and all things.
Oh, it was nice. It was nice. I spent a lot of good time with my family. We had a lot of good food.
Yeah,
Yeah, just a normal, nice lockdown birthday.
yeah. Because
So it was
nowadays,
all really fun.
yeah, the Corona pandemic is going on. That's why
Mm,
no more people gathering in your house or
yes.
whatever else in anywhere.
Yes, definitely. No, we don't even really, we didn't invite anybody either, because people are getting affected everywhere, left and right. So we maintained our distance and just had some fun on ourselves. Thank you so
Yeah,
much for
that
asking.
yeah,
Yes.
that's for good for us also.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah,
So that was really nice. Thank you so much for asking. And tell me something. Had okay, bef- Today is this is a lockdown Sunday.
yeah,
Earlier, 2 years ago, when there was no lockdown, how did you usually spend your Sunday back then?
yeah. And I must say, I would like to say that Sunday is the day, and
Mm-hmm.
you usually do have much more fun with your children, with your parents, with your family members. And and in usual day, what I would like to say, what I usually do from 9 onwards.
Mm-hmm.
I usually busy with my office or my
Yeah.
court regarding my court, and other than that, uh, after came over my court and my chamber,
Mm-hmm.
I usually join to my family after 10:30.
I see.
Uh, that's why
Okay.
in we enjoy a lot usually in the except those days. Sunday
Mm-hmm.
in the morning there must have some marketing, some fish, some chicken or something like
Wow.
that, some sweets, some cards. Usually I
Mm-hmm.
have cards in regular way 365 days. Yeah,
All right.
yeah,
Okay, that is
and
good because it is really good for the stomach. It
yeah,
has a lot of good bacteria, and healthy bacteria, and that's very, very nice. I have also been trying to put some curd in my diet recently because it is a good source of protein as well. It is a good source of fats as well. So that's really, really amazing.
I
Apart from
usually
this,
I
what?
usually
Yes.
I usually take it 365 days. Yeah.
That's absolutely amazing. Do you eat it like that only, or do you add some flavors or masalas to it as well?
No, nothing, nothing.
Okay. Well, that is absolutely amazing. So apart from this, what else do you like to eat in your day-to-day routine?
Yeah, I used to like to eat in simple like rice and must have some fish and must have uh, rice, fish, some curd, some
Nice.
vegetables. Yeah, some
Mm-hmm.
vegetables and cucumber must.
Oh, cucumber is a must. Yes,
Yeah,
definitely. Even I think watermelon is also a very nice kind of fruit
yeah.
because it contains a lot of nutrients and a lot of water as well. What
Yeah.
what is what about coconuts? Do you like coconuts? Coconut
Uh,
water?
I like coconut, green coconut, you know, and
Nice.
yeah,
That's
it's also one of the part of my food. I usually
that's very.
have it after my lunch.
Mm-hmm.
When I used to go to my court after 9:30, I usually have it.
I see. That's nice. So I have one question today. Okay,
Yeah,
and we'll be going back to some basics of English for this question,
yeah,
and I'm sure you'll be able to handle it. But
yeah,
of recent, I see that since you have progressed so much, I just want you to revise all of that as well. So I will be putting two sentences in the chat, and I will be speaking them as well. You need to tell
yeah,
me which one is correct and why. Okay?
yeah, yeah,
Okay, so I'm just typing both of them right now.
All.
Yes, so there are two sentences in the chat. An apple is on the table. A apple is on the table. Which one, according to you, is correct?
Repeat once again.
Yes, yes. An apple is on the table. A
Yeah.
apple is on the table. Which sentence is correct?
Apple on the table.
Yes, an apple is correct. Very, very correct. Can you tell me the reason behind this? What is the concept that we are applying?
Yeah, when we are using the vowels,
Mm-hmm.
then before the vowels, we must use the A and the N.
Absolutely perfect. 100% correct. Very nice answer. Okay. Uh, there is also one more important concept today that I'll be discussing with you. It is called reported speech.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and I think this is one thing that will be very useful to you in your career as well. It is called reported speech. So, what happens is something happened. The story is that something happened between two people. You may be a part of that conversation or not, does not matter.
Yeah.
But you are telling this story to somebody else now. Okay.
Yeah. As
So
a third
you,
person.
yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. So
Yeah.
you need to tell them like that. So you are basically reporting that incident. So
Yeah.
for example, I'm telling you that, hi Amit, how are you doing? So to report this, you will say that Kanishk asked Amit how he was doing.
Yeah.
Okay, that is how we will be framing these sentences. So for example, I am angry, suppose, and I'm scolding my little brother. So you will be reporting this by saying Kanishk was very angry and he was scolding his brother and he said this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we talk in past tense. Okay, we always refer to the people, we take their names, and that is how we construct this scenario properly, by taking their names, by telling their emotions, whether they are angry, they are sad, they are happy. That is how we report it properly. So for example,
Like
you are, yes, yes, yes.
like a story.
Yes, like a story. Absolutely correct. So for example, uh, I ask you, what did you do all day? So to report this one sentence, you will say, he asked me how I was doing.
Yeah.
Then I said that, and then you start your sentence.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
all of
Got it.
this, make sure is in the past tense. You
Yeah.
can
Got
use
it.
past continuous, you can use past perfect, anything you
Yeah.
like, but
Yeah.
make
Yeah.
sure it is past. All right. So
Yeah.
let's do one thing. Let's run a small exercise. I will give you some sentences and you have to report them to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's get started. Okay, no, wait. I called my dad and I asked him whether he will eat cucumber or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, Ganesh asked his dad
Mm-hmm.
whether his dad have eaten the cucumber or not.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Very, very nicely done. Okay. So I will be driving. No. I told I am going to pick up my friend and drive to the nearest gas station.
Ganesh told me that he was picked up her friend to the nearest gas station.
Okay. Now, a few changes will be made in this sentence to make
Yeah.
it even more good. This was a good attempt, but now let me fix a few cracks in this. First of all, you can use other words instead of told me as well. You can say Kanishk said, Kanishk
Yeah.
was saying, and all these kinds of words. And then you will say, Kanishk told me that he is going to pick his friend and go to the gas station. because this is
Oh,
something that I was going to do. I
yeah,
told you in the past, but I will do in the future.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, 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 yeah.
So that is how we will construct this sentence. Okay. So this is called
In
reported
fact, he told me that, and now he is going to do this one.
to it. Yes. And you are reporting in the present. So you
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to connect the two time lapses. Okay. This
yeah.
was a bit advanced sentence, but nevertheless, as usual, you handled this with ease. Very, very nicely done. So just to round off, this is called reported speech. So just to round off, this is called reported speech. The reason why I'm
Yeah.
saying this is because you are a lawyer. There is a lot of reporting in your. So next time, whenever you do such a
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
make sure that you are there with confidence and yes, I have covered this concept now. All right,
And I had
absolutely
a session,
amazing.
I had a session with some reporting or like that, and with some
Mm-hmm.
bhavya, what I told you earlier. And
Yes,
Bhavya
yes.
told me that if you are a reporter, how would you present a report regarding your area? And I told three or four sentences to her.
Mm.
Uh, in
Yes,
what is going
absolutely.
on?
See, that is
Yeah.
a very nice exercise.
So
Exactly.
yeah, what is going on in Calcutta, and it
Mm-hmm.
was something like that. Uh, Today, I'm reporting from just like a reporter. I am not a reporter at all. But I told
Definitely.
uh, that today is something like that. Today, CM of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, announced that uh, all the stadium of Calcutta would be changed from stadium to COVID hospital. And also the Mamata Banerjee announced that not to worry to the people, and she will handle the whole situation within 1 month.
Wow.
And yeah, and due to some lack of doctors and due to some lack of nurses, there have some incident like death is happening in Calcutta. Something I reported it
Hmm.
something like that.
That's actually very nice. Very, very well done. So, I mean, come on. You have been working really hard and your progress is showing. This is something I always tell you, and you never let me down. So, that's absolutely amazing. To know more about this, you can, you can also watch some more news channels. But please don't watch those news
Yeah, yeah,
channels on
yeah.
which they are just shouting
No, no,
nonsense
no.
continuously. Watch
I
the good
usually,
ones.
I usually watch the CNN 18.
Perfect.
Yeah, because they are like a Indian speaker.
Hmm.
That's why I'm
Yes.
preferred this one. But BBC is
Okay.
something tough
Mm-hmm.
for me because their pronunciation just like the native. That's why BBC is too much. But I can understand. I can handle
That's
it.
amazing. Yes.
But if I copied them, that will be
No, no, no.
tough
Don't
for me.
copy them. You have your own style, you have your own personality, and your own way of speaking and explaining things.
Yeah,
And that works amazingly for you. So I do not recommend you copy them. You have your own style. You can use their dialogues, you can use their
yeah,
information, but keep your style to yourself.
yeah,
Okay?
yeah,
Because
yeah,
that is one method you are very comfortable in,
yeah,
and that is one way you are making progress in. So that is what we need to keep up. So for today's feedback, nothing as such. So you have been doing great, you are doing great. Oh, but I did recommend some movies to you, did I?
yeah. I have seen one of them. Uh,
Mhm.
I forgot the name of movie. The little like a fish. What
Finding
was
Nemo.
the Mimo? Yeah, Mimo. And
Yes, yes, Finding Nemo.
yeah,
That's
separated
very,
from a
very.
mother. Yeah, separated from a mother and got from another. She is staying in an aquarium, and after that, when the
Yeah,
yeah,
I love that movie. It's a very, very
yeah,
interesting movie.
fantastic. But it was it has it movie was from the 2003
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes,
when the animation is has been started. From that time's movie.
exactly.
Yeah, yeah, I have seen it.
So you imagine at that time also they had such good animations and
Yeah.
graphics and everything.